Hey, good afternoon and howdy from Oklahoma. It's December 18th, 2020. Heard on the news that Pennsylvania got like as much as 40 inches of snow yesterday. Got a text from one of the kids, or the wife did, that lady in Vermont measured 42 inches of snow. It's like, damn. Anyway, here in Oklahoma, I don't know how much we got. We're going to go check it out. I got my handy dandy yardstick, and come on, let's go see how much we got. If I can hang on to the yardstick. Oh God. Oh, she should have put a coat on. Anyway, here we go. Watch your step. Okay, here's get the right side. We'll stick that in the ground. And just as I thought, it says we didn't get any.